Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana bread for baby. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. For moisture, use 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted, or a healthy oil like avocado oil. A small pinch of cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon, can add a lovely aroma and taste for your little one. Now let's get mixing. Start by mashing your ripe bananas in a medium bowl until they are very smooth with no large lumps. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, and cinnamon. Next, add the melted butter or oil to your mashed bananas. Finally, pour the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and stir gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. It's time to bake. Lightly grease a mini loaf pan or a muffin tin to prevent sticking. Carefully spoon your banana bread batter into the prepared pan, filling each cavity about 2/3 full. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. To ensure it's fully cooked, insert a toothpick into the center of a loaf or muffin. If it comes out clean, your baby's banana bread is ready. Once baked, let your delicious baby banana bread cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for the texture. When fully cooled, cut the bread into small, bite-sized pieces that are safe and easy for your baby to handle and eat. This homemade treat is perfect for little hands and tummies. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy watching your little one savor this yummy snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.